The My Shipments page gives you a centralized view of all your inbound shipments to Amazon. From this page, you can track shipment status, search for specific shipments, and take action without navigating away from your queue. To get started, sign in to your seller account and navigate to the Manage Shipments page. You will find it within the Manage drop-down menu. The page displays your shipments in a table format, showing details like shipment name, status, created date, and last updated date. If you sell in multiple marketplaces, you will also see a marketplace indicator next to each shipment. This flag shows which marketplace the shipment is associated with, so you can avoid mixing shipments across regions. To narrow your view, use the filter options at the top of the table. You can filter shipments by status, such as ready to ship or shipped, to focus on the shipments that need your attention right now. For example, if you want to see only shipments that are missing a tracking number, apply that filter to surface just those items. This helps you build a shipments you need to take action on, view instead of scanning your entire queue. If you are looking for a specific shipment, use the search function. You can search by shipment ID, status, missing tracking number, or last updated date. You can also use suggested timeframes to find shipments that may be stalled or need follow-up. Use shipment ID search when you are troubleshooting a specific order. Use the last updated timeframe filter to identify shipments that have not moved recently. To review the details of a shipment, select View next to the shipment. This opens a side panel with a summary of that shipment. The side panel shows the shipment name, shipment ID, created date, and unit count. It also displays a status progression tracker, so you can confirm where your shipment is in the process. In transit, delivered, received, or closed. Within the shipment list, you can see a quick summary of the units and SKUs included in each shipment. Use this to validate quantities before drilling into the details. If something looks incorrect, you can address it early before it becomes a larger inventory issue. To adjust how the table displays, use the table customization options, which can be found via the gear icon on the top right of the screen called Preferences. You can change which columns appear, reorder them, and set how many rows show per page. Start by selecting the columns most relevant to your daily workflow, such as status, last updated, and tracking. Move those to the front, and hide columns you do not use. This reduces noise and speeds up your review, especially if you manage a high volume of shipments. Once you have configured your filters and columns, you can save that setup as a named view. Select the option to save your current view and give it a name that reflects its purpose, such as Needs Tracking or In Transit. The next time you visit My Shipments, you can load that saved view instead of rebuilding your filters from scratch. This is especially useful if you check the same set of shipments regularly as part of your daily operations. From My Shipments, you can access the Send to Amazon workflow by selecting a shipment or order ID. You can continue your inbound workflow from there as you normally would. You can also access Capacity Manager from this page. Use it as you do today to monitor your capacity limits and plan inbound shipments. The My Shipments page brings your inbound shipment management into one place with tools to filter, search, customize, and save your view for faster daily operations. Start by setting up a saved view that matches your most common workflow, and use the side panel to check shipment progress without leaving your queue. To learn more about managing your inbound shipments, visit Seller University for additional resources on Send to Amazon and inventory management.